Hey, hello, welcome back to my channel Stocks Babu. On 7th November, MQ Pharmaceuticals Limited has announced their quarterly reports, and let's check it out how they performed for this quarter. And here all the figures were given in millions. So for our better understanding, I will let you know in crores. And to begin with, the total revenue from operations for September 2024, they made 2001 crores, and for June 1815 crores. Whereas last year, September 2023, the total revenue from operations is 1,663 crores. So here clearly, year on year and quarter, the revenue from operations has been increased. And when we check these numbers in terms of percentage wise, so here clearly 10%, 10.8% growth can be seen quarter on quarter and 22.4% year on year by the company. And when it comes to the total expenses for this September 2024, it is 1,764 crores. Sorry, total expenses for this quarter is 1,764 crores, and for June 1,631 crores. Whereas last year September, the expenses incurred by the company is 1,463 crores. So here, how the revenue has grown year on year and quarter. In the same way, the expenses were also increased. And when it comes to net profit for the period at PAT, they made 201 crores for September 2024 and for June 152 crores. Whereas last year September, the total net profit at PAT is 145 crores. So here clearly the net profit has grown year on year and quarter by the company. When we check these numbers in terms of percentage wise, nearly 35% growth can be seen quarter on quarter and 40% growth year on year. And when we talk about the operating profit, for September 2024, they made 380 crores and for June 336 crores. Whereas last year September, the net operating profit is 329 crores. So this in turn 13.2% growth quarter on quarter and nearly 16% growth year on year can be seen. And when it comes to the earnings per share, the diluted EPS stood at 10.33 for September 2024 and 7.95 for June, whereas last year September the diluted EPS stood at 7.70. So here clearly year on year and quarter the net EPS has been increased year on year and quarter. Overall, the company's performance on quarter basis is good, and year on year also they performed better. And when it comes to the EBITDA, it has grown nearly 16% to 380 crores, and the margin is nearly narrowed from 20 to 19%. And the international business was a major drive with a 25% year on year growth, includes a standout 51% rise in Canadian market. So these are some of the highlights for this quarter actually. And Europeans saw steady growth of nearly 6%, and the recent strategic initiatives includes the Sanofi partnership with and the acquisition of Mantra in Canada are yielding positive synergies. Despite the strong top line growth, margin pressures persist, attributes to operational costs. However, the company plans to enhance margins through efficiency improvement and aims to sustain growth via new product launch. These results are robust for this quarter, but pressures and strategy focus on expanding both the domestic and international footprints. So this is all about Emcure Pharmaceuticals Limited. Thank you.